How to undo, delete iCloud photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we then scroll down. Then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on CO, and then tap on iCloud Photos. After that, we scroll down, and then tap on Manage Storage. Now scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Undo Delete. Now once you delete your photos, you have 30 days to undo it before it is permanently removed from your iCloud account. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous page. Now it shows at the moment 0 items. You need to give it some time to restore your photos back into your account and to your device. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.